Hi YouTube. Sorry this might be a bit shaky again today because my mobile tripod thing isn't working. I let my son borrow it the other day to do a Fortnite video against my better judgment, and sure enough he's knackered it. So anyway, this is the pencil holder, day 7 of mine and Leslie's Halloween. 13 days Halloween. This is exactly the same as what Lyrical Lover 810 did. I'll link her channel below. So I copied her idea and made it into a Halloween pencil holder, which is a good idea if you don't want to give children chocolates, because you can bulk buy pencils that are quite cheap enough. It doesn't use a lot of cards, so actually it'd work out as a very cost-effective Halloween treats that doesn't involve lots of sugar. Right, hope you liked the video. Sorry it's very quick today. You can see all the glue on my I've been very busy today because me and Leslie are doing a collab in August together, and I've been trying to get all my stuff ready for that as well. Busy. Okay, I hope you like this. Thanks, bye.